Hello all, in this video we will be discussing about couple and equivalent force couple system. This is the last point of your unit 1. A couple is defined as two parallel forces that have same magnitude, are opposite directions and are separated by a perpendicular distance A. Okay, so now here let us consider this system. Here you have one force P and another force of same magnitude, parallel forces and separated by distance d. So these two forces will form a couple. Okay, or couple can also be defined as moment produced by two equal non-collinear and opposite forces. These two forces also have to be parallel. Okay, two unlike parallel forces of equal magnitude will generate a couple. The moment of a couple will be mathematically defined as magnitude of couple into the distance between them. This is d. This d is called as arm of couple. The distance d is called as arm of a couple. So on a system, when there are two forces of same magnitude and opposite direction separated by distance d, the moment generated will be load into the arm distance d. Okay, that is your couple. We will discuss some characteristics of couple and then we will move on to equivalent force couple system. The first characteristics are two equal and opposite forces form a couple as discussed. One single force cannot form a couple. Couple creates a turning action, that is your moment. That is why we also called as moment of couple. जिसको हमने m बोला था, P into D, that m is moment of a couple. So couple can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Algebraic sum of couple is 0 because we are applying two forces of same magnitude but in opposite sense, so their summation will be 0. Algebraic sum of moments of all forces constituting the couple is equal to the moment of the couple itself. If I take the moment of this force P at this point or this force P at this point or both these forces at some intermediate point, the magnitude will be same as the magnitude of the couple. And a couple, last point is, a couple can only be balanced by another couple of opposite sense. A couple can only be balanced by another couple of opposite sense and it will not be balanced by a single force. These are some basic characteristics of couple which you need to remember for your examination. And now we will discuss about equivalent force couple system. So a force at any given point on a rigid body can be replaced by another force of same direction but acting at different point along with an associated couple. Let us see an example. On this beam AB there is a force of magnitude R acting at a distance of A from point capital A. Now we have to determine or we have to move this force R at point A. So what does equivalent force couple system say? That a force can be replaced by another force of same direction but acting at different point. So I can draw this force R at point A in the same direction, but to balance this R, I will have to apply another R of opposite direction. So now here I have this beam AB on which there is one force of magnitude R is acting and there are two forces R and R a distance apart from each other, and these two forces will form a couple. So in the end I will have a line AB, a segment AB on which there is a force R, and what will be the moment of this couple? M will be equals to R into A, and this will form which direction? This moment will be in which direction? It will be in clockwise direction. So one clockwise moment of magnitude R into A. This is how you determine equivalent force couple system. Let us see an example when the force is acting in an inclined direction. So this is your section AB, and there is this inclined force which is making an angle of theta of R acting a distance apart from point A. So I have to determine its equivalent force couple system from point A. So from point A, I will first apply one force R, this R of same angle theta, and I will have to replace, and to balance this out, I will add another force R of same angle theta. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to generate a couple. So couple will be formed. Now you have this one force R making an angle theta, and the couple will be formed between these two forces. This is your R at an angle of theta, and this is your another R at an angle of theta, right? The perpendicular distance between the lines of actions, we need this perpendicular distance, that is we know as A. So your couple will be, again this will be a clockwise couple. So in the end we can draw it like this. End figure आपका कुछ ऐसा होगा. You will have this section AB on which there is a resultant, or there is a force R making an angle of theta with respect to horizontal, and there is a couple in clockwise direction again of magnitude R into A. A is the arm of couple. So this is how you determine equivalent force couple system. Okay, thank you.